Hey guys, it's me, Sarah T with JDS. Here are some tips and tricks on engraving our Bison River Rescue Knives. Let's get started. The Bison River Rescue Knives are 4.5 inches when closed and are equipped with a 3.5 inch black painted steel blade, giving them a sharp look in more ways than one. Beyond their cutting capabilities, the Bison River Rescue Knives boast a pocket clip for convenient access, a seatbelt cutter, and glass breaker, making them an indispensable tool for emergency situations. The handles, made from anodized aluminum, are available in black, blue, and red, as well as a wood version. Both the wood and anodized aluminum can be personalized virtually anywhere. Getting them to lay level in your laser is going to help with a consistent marking. This can be done with some items around your shop or one of our custom rack star fixtures for single or multiple knife engraving. Once leveled, you're ready to dial in your settings. These knives are very laser friendly and have a lot of room setting-wise for a successful marking. The wood handles can be engraved to your customer's preference of how deep of an engraving is wanted. No matter the depth, the light color of the wood gives a sharp contrast with the engraved mark. The anodized aluminum knives should give you a bright white engraving. Here you can see that you have a wide window of success to get that bright mark. Dull engrave means you're not engraving deep enough. If you're seeing a shadow effect or banding, it means you've gone too deep. Some tips to help with dialing in your specific laser include dropping your DPI to something lower like 400 DPI, switching one variable at a time like just your speed, as well as noting each of the colors can have settings slightly different from each other. Here I found on the blue and red, 400 DPI brightened up the engraving at the same 90 speed, 20 power. You're now equipped to transform these versatile Bison River knives into that personalized masterpiece that will resonate with your client's needs for quality, safety, and uniqueness. Join the herd today. For any more questions or to view all of our knives, please visit us online or give us a call at the number below. Thanks for watching.